Hey there, ho Django Heroes! Okay, I'm going out on a quick unicycle stealth camp. So I'm going to a local bookstore. It's a bookstore that has a lot of stuff for teachers and kids stuff. So on the side of the building, they have a wooden train that's for kids to play on. But I think it'll be a perfect place to sleep tonight. Now, they closed about half an hour ago, so hopefully they are closed up and gone. If not, I may have to just kind of hide out for a bit, but we'll see when we get there. Oh yeah, everyone's gone. Perfect. Light off. Cruise around the parking lot for a minute until it's clear. That's where I'm going. Alright, I think after this one. Oh, it's gonna be great. There is a house right through these trees. I don't know if you can see part of their shed there. But I'll get this backpack off. Just kind of set that down here. I scoped this out a while back, and that light was super sensitive, but it hasn't come on yet. Maybe it's also on a timer. I'm waving my hand, nothing's happening. It looks like it may have been moved. Okay. It is really warm. It's probably still in the low 70s right now. It's only supposed to get down to like 61 tonight, so really warm. Which let me pack pretty light. I just got the one backpack, no extra bags on the unicycle. Let's shut that off so I don't have to do that later. Should be okay. There's a light that's going to be there. It's going to be on all night. That's part of a little water fountain, waterfall thing there. It's always running. Don't want to get too close to that yet, just because it's so bright and somebody's going to see me. Let's check out our accommodations for tonight. So this is a roof over everything. And of course the rail car has a roof over it. Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect sleeping spot. I actually brought a little brush. I'm going to sweep this out. Make sure there's nothing that's going to poke a hole in my sleeping mat. And yeah, That's going to be perfect. As long as that light stays off and I don't get any visitors in the night up in the engine. Oh, this could have actually been my train challenge too. I think that's some sort of metal barrel they used. That's cool. Yeah, it's gonna chill out for a little bit till it gets a little bit more dark. I may go ahead and sweep this out while I have a little bit of light. And I will bring you back in a few minutes. Okay, I got everything loaded up into the wooden train car. And now I'm just going to chill out for a while. I'm not going to set up any bedding yet. Just to make sure everything's kosher and nobody shows up. But yeah, there's some bats flying around. That's cool. But yeah, I'm just going to chill out. It is now 8 o'clock. So I've already eaten dinner. I brought some snacks, a couple beers, one of which is going to be my shotgun response to Gravedigger. See that in a bit. But yeah, for now, I think until it gets a little bit darker, I'm just going to chill out. Okay, I am at my wooden train. It's almost completely dark. You know what time it is. This is for Gravedigger. We've been going back and forth about there's some little mouse or something over there. But we've been going back and forth about shotgunning beers, and he just did his on his live stream. I guess it was about 2 weeks ago. It's time for my rebuttal. Now, mine's going to be way messier, not refined at all, but that's how I do it. This is how I used to do it when I raced downhill mountain bikes. Quick and dirty. All right, let's do this. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. There you go, Gravedigger. Challenge back at you. And now I have beer all over me. But that's the way you do it after a race. So that's what I heard earlier. There's little frogs around. Of course. That little pond and the waterfall makes sense. Oh, it's so cute. But also, that looks like a normal jungle gym, but is lightweight plastic and upside down. But better believe I'm getting on that swing later. Hope it holds me. All right, here's my bedding. Actually, I have sleeping bags just to lay on for a little more comfort because it's not going to be cold enough for it. And then a light quilt over top. Stuff over there, and it should be good. I'm all set. And here's my good beer to sip on. Just kind of sitting here at the end of the train, right by the back opening. If somebody were to pull in the parking lot, I just kind of roll into the back real quick. But if they pulled in the parking lot, they'd probably be coming over here, and I'd be busted anyway. But just sitting here, nobody's going to see me from the road. Made it up into the tree next to the pond and waterfall. There's my train. Of course, the front's really lit up. And I'll just have to wait for a break in traffic to get back over to the train. I think this is it. Woohoo! Stealthy. Get back here to my perch and hang out. There we go. Cheers, Stealth Camping Alliance. Oh, that just scared the fuck out of me. White SUV just rolled up in the parking lot, but apparently there's a turning around. Whew. Ah, okay. Okay, lights on. Alright guys, so that security light apparently is on a timer because it's on now. I was moving around and it came on, and it's very sensitive. So that means it's bedtime. Should we lay here below the window line and it'll eventually go out and I'll be fine. It's actually 10:15, so it's about time to go to bed anyway. So that's it for tonight, and I will see you in the morning. Alright, good morning guys. Oh, I slept okay. It's a little chilly this morning. But I'm gonna get up, put away this bedding, and I just got a little canned coffee and some boiled eggs for breakfast. So I will bring you back in a few minutes. Okay, most of the stuff is packed up. So I'm gonna have some Black Rifle espresso mocha. I haven't had this before. Well, it's pretty good. And I just brought a couple boiled eggs. Just a quick and easy breakfast. About to go home and feed my cats and get ready for work. But today is a Friday, so that's good. I'd say this was a great camp. Didn't have any visitors other than that security light coming on last night. It was pretty good. Okay, breakfast is done. It's time to finish a little bit of packing up and roll home. Time to go to work. There we go. No trace. Actually cleaner than it was before. Just gonna get my backpack on and get out of here. Alright, if you're still watching, thank you, and you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell for new content. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.